Hey, so if your Framer website is not publishing, yeah, don't worry. This is actually a pretty common issue. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step, so let's get into it. All right, first things first. Click on the Publish button and see what error message you're getting. I mean, sometimes it's just a small warning that's easy to miss. Now, one big reason your site won't publish is missing required settings. So, go to your site settings and check if everything is filled out, like site name, page structure, or domain. Next, this is important. Look for broken components or missing elements in your design. Even one broken layer can stop the whole site from publishing. If you're using CMS, make sure all required fields are filled. Empty fields or unpublished items can block the publishing process. Okay, next. If you're using a custom domain, double-check that it's connected properly. Sometimes DNS issues or unverified domains can cause this problem. And this sounds simple, but try clearing your browser cache or switching browsers. Sometimes it's just a glitch on your side. If it's still not working, try duplicating the page or project and publish again. I mean, this can fix weird bugs instantly. So that's pretty much it. One of these fixes should get your Framer site publishing again. If it helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.